Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to get large size app folders in any iPhone and iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. So right now you can see this is the default app folders in our iPhone smartphones. So by default, we don't have any option to increase or decrease this app folder size. So for this, what you need to do is just open the App Store. And now just search for folder mini, and now you can see here below app folder launcher folder mini. Just tap on it. Now just click on get to download and install it. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will ask you some permissions. Just allow all the permission by clicking on continue. So now just click on this new folder and give the folder name, whatever folder name you want to give. Now below the icon size, you can select whether you want a small or large size. And below you can see your color. So you can select a background color, whether you want a solid, gradient or transparent. So here I'm gonna use the gradient color. So below you can see there are tons more color options. And below there is a brightness options. You can increase or decrease the brightness. So once you are done with your settings, just click on the tick mark. Now click on it again. Now click on this button in order to add your respective application. And now click on the search bar. So let me add here Chrome. Now just click on this plus button in order to add it. Click on the tick mark again. So you can see, so similarly you can add more apps. So let me add more apps here. And even you can add a folder inside this folder too by clicking on this option. And you can add a respective apps inside it also. So once you have added all the apps in the respective app folder, you can just move back. You can just minimize it. Now just tap and hold on your iPhone home screen. Now just click on this button. Now click on this add widget. Now select the folder mini widget. Now you can select the respective folder size, whichever size you want. So I'm gonna select this one and click on this add widget. So now you can see here. So you can resize it also. So you can see here how big you want that folder. So I'm gonna keep it this size. So let me place it here. And once you're done, just click on the blank area of your iPhone home screen. So now you can click on the respective app to open it from here itself. So you can clearly see it gets open. And if you click on the tiny folder inside this app folder, so you can see here the apps present on this respective folder. So in order to move back, just click on this back button. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get large size app folders in any iPhone and iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.